Okay, and I'm going to just go into Desmos right now to do this conversion. So you're going to choose 3 household items and do the conversion that is actually on the label or on the jar. So we go into Desmos here. We'll start with a 1 cup. Actually, we'll just go with the quart. We have a quart jar right here. You can see the ounces on this side and milliliters on the other side. I wish it had an exact milliliters to a certain number of ounces, but it doesn't. So let's just go with the 2 cup marking. 2 cup marking matches up to 16 ounces. So we would do that by taking 2 cups, put it over 1, multiply by the conversion factor. We want cups to cancel diagonally. We want to end up with ounces. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So that would be 16 ounces. So that verifies what we see on the jar. 2 cups lines up to 16 ounces. Okay, the next item that I'm going to pick, so I'm just going to grab something out of my pantry. And I'll show it to you. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay, on this conversion, it's some V8 juice. You can see what they give us here. That 64 fluid ounces is the same as 2 quarts, which is the same as 1.89 liters. So let's do that conversion by hand. So we have 64 fluid ounces. And if we're converting that into quarts, first we could convert to cups and then go from cups to quarts. So we'll put fluid ounces in the denominator. So there's 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. And there is 4 cups in 1 quart. We'll do cups to quarts here. 4 cups in 1 quart. So the cups will cancel. The fluid ounces will cancel. Now we'll take 64 times 1 times 1 is 64. And in the denominator, we have 1 times 8 times 4. That's 32. Our units is quarts. 64 divided by 32 equals 2. So there's the 2 quarts that we confirmed. Okay, and then the other measurement they gave us is 1.89 liters. So again, we'll start with our 64 fluid ounces that were given. Put that over 1. And then we need the conversion from fluid ounces to liters. So I'm just searching fluid ounces to liters. So 1 fluid ounce is 0.02957,353 liters, or we could say 1 liter is 33.8 fluid ounces. I'm going to use the 33.8 to 1. So 1 liter is approximately 33.8 fluid ounces. Our fluid ounces cancels. Take 64 times 1 is 64, and we'll divide by 33.8. Is 1.89, which is exactly what is on the bottom. Okay. And you're supposed to do for the lab, the conversions lab, you're supposed to do 3 items. So for the third item, I have some honey here. It says 2 pounds or 907 grams. So if we do our pounds to grams conversion, one pound is 453.6 grams. But we have 2 pounds. So we'll put 2 pounds over 1. Multiply it by our conversion factor. We want pounds in the denominator to cancel diagonally, grams in the numerator. So 1 pound is 400, and we'll just round it to 454 grams. Take 2 times 454. Is 908 grams, and they have it listed as 907, so just a little bit of a rounding difference there. Or, you know, they may have carried their conversion out to more decimal places than needed. All right, so that is how you'll do the conversions lab. I hope you enjoy that one, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget, there's an office hour on Thursday evenings from 6 to 7:15 p.m. So if you need help with anything there, just let me know. Also, don't forget, spring break is coming up the week of April 5th. All right, thanks everybody.